See, it might be a snowstorm for hip-hop, but it's springtime for the record executive Hitler. Let loose your mind, grab your big coats, we slapping back. Bible Belt can't hold us now, poetry's on the map. See, my lips are getting broken, my haters start hoping that I might stop floating these syllables, see a microphone coating ears with something potent, feel me. I can't stop with this. Sometimes the flow's so simple, I feel like I got a monopoly on this. Monopoly, can't say stopping me. See, I'm staring every fake MC up properly. Ain't no dissing while I'm adding up like addition, peak addiction. Read like science fiction. Back page to get airy. Only when it comes cause I flow so very necessary. I'm killing these very quite contrary. Cats who can't rhyme is scary. Shake it, laugh it, happy. Smile and make me happy. And hands turn and slide while we're dancing to this whack shit. You really ought to know me. My palms be heavy, I write with a snow ski. You don't want to be touched with me. I'm the cat that took microphones and put them on top of them seeds. Do my best to bring hip-hop back. Tell them it's about the music and not the fucking act. You gotta understand, see, I'm about the lyrics all day long. I can write with my left hand when I'm right hand strong. You really ought to go with me. See, I'm talking like that cat that made me lift up and had children with poetry. But hold on, stop. Hold up again, I'll cost you $1. If you feel what I'm preaching, then stop me, some copyright, don't copy me. See, so sad and funny because rap went from rap to crap. Abstract was in the backlist, I'll blacklist this song, that album. I don't even want to hear about them. I'm underground on full sound. My radio station on steady rotations, the most definite, so sensational. I'm bathing in the lips that big hungry bacon. My neck be falling, do you want more? And we need apple bum, be sticking at my right chord. Talib Kweli will have a place next to Biggie and Tupac. They shot, no, they shooting major looking far from done. I have John Sun to the next to KRS-One and many more. I'm just a frame while the people on the door. I wrap your head to your minds and click. I wrap your head to your all looking funny because the message from me, because I'm talking hungry out my tummy. The new lyrics that stay sweetie. Mike's on the phone and he sounds kinda angry. Wu-Tang Clan were the best groups ever. Flow feeling hot but I'm feeling cold weather. I reach for the sun but it's covered by the snow. Hearing strange words little kids even know. I rap to the hip hop gods, I love you. Only put my hands to the pens, I trust you. Grab this pen, take this paper. Please shuffle around so my mind don't take it. Give it up to